Hi guys, welcome back. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to draw a full stormwater network based on this Excel sheet. Okay, with all the details of the pipes for all pipe lengths and the socket, and all the details will be drawn automatically by using my program. In the previous video I showed you how to extract all the data from the tender drawing into this Excel sheet. Okay, based on this Excel sheet, this is manhole name and the shape, station, NGL, invert level, and pipe diameter. Okay, this is the quantity survey will be extracted automatically, knowing the excavation quantity and the clean sand backfilling and the backfill up of the pipe, and this is the surplus material. Okay, so this all the data will be extracted automatically. All the quantities will be known automatically. So I'm gonna close this. Okay, so I'm gonna type here PPART. So as you see, Excel popped up and the network is being drawn automatically with all its detail for the manholes and pipe parts, for the custom parts, each and every element in the network based on the data extracted previously. And also there is another Excel sheet to put all the data which we are making, the program we are making here. Okay, it's gonna take a while to draw the full network, so kindly be patient. I'm gonna speed up the video and we will see the final output of the program and the network. And as you see here, all the manhole and pipe parts are being put here automatically at this blank Excel file. I'm gonna return back to the drawing. And after we finished, the program finished all the pipes here for the full network. And to take a closer look for this one, let's see what is the data here and what is in this Excel sheet for the data extraction. I'm gonna split the screen. I'm gonna split the screen here to see what is this. This is a manhole, okay, and all the data of the manhole: ground level, invert level, the depth of the manhole, the shape, okay, and XY for the coordinates here, and this is the pipe internal dimension is 1.2, and this is the points of the excavation base, okay, and here this is X, Y, and Z for this one, from manhole 1, this one, to manhole 2, this one. This is the diameter and slope and the length, and here the wall joint short piece and 9 multiplied by full length of the pipe. And this is a custom part 5.2. This is a custom part 5.2, and this is the length. This is the wall piece, and this is a short piece 0.7 and 0.7. Here also the same. And this is manhole 2. We can manipulate this data easily. And this is the pipe parts. For this one, from manhole 1 to manhole 2, the pipe diameter is 400 millimeter, and the clear distance is 5.8. All this have been done automatically. Okay, the total number of pieces 14. This one 14 pipe 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 pipe 14 pipe piece, as it said here. And this is a summation. This is summation for all the pipe, including the socket here. And this socket is based on the data which we have been put in this one here in the setting. Okay, we have put the pipe length is 6 meters, and manhole wall piece is 0.7 as it's here. Okay, 0.7 and 0.7 for the short piece. And in this one, in the socket length, this is the socket for each diameter. Okay, so this one is 400, so the socket is 25 millimeter. So this one is 400, so 250 socket length as it's here, 250 millimeters. And here, to get back for the coordinates, this is the coordinates for all this one. See here, this is the point x, y, and z. Here for point 1, 360.56, and here the y coordinates and x coordinates are the same. So we will return back to the drawing. So here all the data have been shown here for the point 1, for point 2, for point 3, for pipe 1, and also for pipe 2. All the data have been the same. And here for all the manholes, from manhole 2 to manhole 3, for each and every manhole, here is the clear distance and total number of pipes, summation. And here the data is hidden spigot for the type have been shown here. And for all the network are the same here, and the custom part here, and everything have been shown automatically. So thank you for watching.